afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Dynasty Airways. This is flight DA419 bound for Cebu. This is Trixie, your head flight stewardess. In command of the aircraft is Captain Daniel de la Proso, and assisting him in the control is First Officer Crisanto Cardeña. Please expect that we shall be flying for about 1 hour and 20 minutes as high as 28,000 feet. We remind you to please remain seated as we shall be taking off in a short while.
Position, your table is closed and your seatbelt is fastened, and we recommend that you continue to fasten your seatbelt while seated during the flight. Also, refrain from using any electronic devices during takeoff and landing for safety reasons. Your cooperation will be much appreciated. If there is anything we can do for you, please let us know. We wish you a happy flight. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be starting our descent shortly. Please fasten your seatbelts. Flight attendants, prepare the cabin for landing.